uzoba uChili Bites. So Chili Bites. uChili Bites ngangimsaba wonke umuntu wayesaba i-character Chili Bites because sasifile sengathi inzima but no uzoba uChili Bites. Mina ngase ngifrustrated ngithi ish isikhathi singaka because iscript siba singaka I think iscript sasifunda sasingaka and kwakumele sifunde sonke usazi ngekhanda. Ngathi but kodwa we know sepa ukuthi sine week A1 we have our last week the following weekend ngiyashoot. So that's how we know. We trust you. We trust you. Uzoba Chili Bites. Yeah, ngokwenza uChili Bites then what happened? Bangenzisa i-research. Ngenza research about ama-street kid. Sahamba, saya emgwaqweni ebusuku, si-check sibuza ama-street kid ukuthi aphila kanjani, awokha kanjani, bakhuluma kanjani. Nje ngibabuza mo. Nami ngisho uthi ngokha kanje ngoba ngaze ngibe i-street kid mina ngiphila nabazali ngisabusekile basaphila nje leyo mpilo asemgwaqweni ngiyazi kodwa i-production yasilekelela ukuthi ke istravelise sisemgwaqweni saya kwenye indawo yama-orphanage safike sahlala khona KZN babe good labana lama street kid ayenza surfing bane talent le surfing but sasamahlane nabasitshele ibona ukuthi labantwana laba ama street kid bangabame inkonzo basitshele nama stories ukuthi ayibona hey banokuthi nje uthi hawu uThebo hawu ube khona izolo akasekho uzohamba isonto lonke because ibingane ezikanjani ama street kid samsang iba khona uyibona ngathi ba khona 3 days nyana ayisekho kuqiqisa ibuyile abantu abanjalo abubone nje leyo mpilo loyo so ngafunda lapho ukuthi uChili Bites okay uChili Bites wami ngambona ekhanda it's okay uChili Bites lo ngayipractice kwafika isuku lokushutha temnani kwathi hayi sizoba away from home from inyanga namasonto ambana ngijabulisa ke one ukuthi ngeke ngibe sesikolweni uyazi uma
bacelile
esikolweni uyazi uma umntwana esikole hayi abantwana esikole abasithanda sandi nami ngangi one of those ayi esikoleni ngizobe ngiseshuthini ngenza into engiyithandayo yo that was a good moment enganginayo and any moment esibili ngibhukhelwe ihotela ngizoba sehotela for inyanga yonke namasonto ambalwana yo into eyithusa kakhulu kwathi hayi khululekani sebhangi sizonitholela uthisha abazonifundisa emsebenzini wow umuntu uzofundisa emsebenzini ngeke umuntu afunde eseklasini wow inkinga ilana umlungu kodwa uzonifundisa isingisi man hey kodwa itemnandi sasifunda kamnandi ngoba sasifunda 3 subjects a day sasifunda ilanguage nemaths temnandi uma ufunda ngangikwazi ukubuza uthisha umbuzo ngesikhathi ngifuna ngaso ngingekho afraid ukuthi abantwana mangibuza iquestion ebhedana noma ngawazi question lapho ngizosaba bazongihleka mangiphasa isandla ngisho answer ngangifree ngalonto leyo ngathi okay now zakhala ngifunda 3 subjects a day and mangithi ngikhathele
bawenza grade 1
ngangenza grade 6
okay
ngasikwazi ngishutha izulu lami ngangenza grade 6 and ngifunda ukuthi ngikhathele manje ayisifuna isincengo sasiwamaqala isincengo kuze superstar but sasingazi usama superstar and into emnandi ke but sasitsho ukuthi sifundela ngangitsho ukuthi mina ngiactele isikole sami ngangitsho ukuthi ngirepresent isikole sami isikhathi ngiact yayingekho indaba ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa ngangitsho ukuthi mina mangiact ngiyethola ukuthi mina ngipass ngithola ama marks ngiphasela grade 6 ngiyeka grade 7 ngangiactela lokho nje ngiactela ukuthi ngimele isikole sami because into ayisekhanda lami ukuthi ngangihlezi ngibona ingane zakwami esinye isikole emunye yathi mina ngifuna isikole esithize ngifuna isho means mina ngirepresent isikole sami noma ngenza nama audition ngiswa eassembly uthisha omkhulu nothisha bathi uThepang ngiyise assembly ukuthi uThepang usitshela ukuthi kuhamba kanjani siyakubona uhamba amahotela so hamba amahotela unama camera kwenzakalani so sebengitreat ngalendlela le special acknowledge bangihlonipha nami ngiyabona njalo ekseni nje ngiye assembly ngiyokhuluma yonke lento engexciter and ngangibona si pressure isiningi. Imagine bathi abantu uzovela ku TV kodwa ubusa audition. So kwakumele ukuthi ngiyithole le role. Because balindele ukuthi uzofuma ku TV. Mina ngiyazi lonto mina ngazi ukuthi mina kumele mina ngiwine le role ngithola ama marks isikole siye phezulu. Hayi sehotela ngihlala kamnandi hotela kube mnandi sisha ama rehearsal in and out. The daily shooting. Yo, angiqala ngibona lanto leyana yo. Angifika ama camera crew abelungu bodwa. I think abantu abamnyama kwakuyithina abantwana nabantu aba crew few. Abantu abebeligcwele lapha nabelungu ama camera angazi ngibona ama camera manga ay camera eyujudge camera ubhaza ama generator imoto traffic cops wherever we go nama traffic cops umgwaqo uyavalwa like makushutha izulu lami kwakungathi city they were creating their own city oh like hey kwanjani la itsena lama kune caravel iCaravel inegama lami iCaravel ineimpahla zami iCaravel la ngihlala khona Tsepang uHlomi Chili Pies ihlala you ngene iCaravel this is my room like what and akumele mina ngigqokise isicathulo akumele ngigqokise akumele nje yonke into ngangiyicelebrate like kithi be president why is it treat us so why this life is nice hey ufuna coffee bayakulandela ufunani ufuna ugqoka isicathulo ungasiqoka isicathulo sokugqokisa that life was super and wow ekseni ke siyashutha kune all drop engaka siyagqokiswa some makeup yonke lento ngiyayiqala nje lento le yes ama camera bese ngana stand because beshutha nje ama camera for ama audition yabo but lawana ngangiwaqala ngangithi this is a Hollywood mina lo it's yo sasineva sike that day one shoot sabangena Demnandi shoot izodam shoot 2 scenes a day or 3 scenes the whole day. Shoot only 3 scenes the whole day. Iphinda cut. No. Kurelexiwe nje kutatazela lonke into enzwa nje. Nje yabona nje. Mawukhohla amala but thina sasingawakhohla amala sasiwazi wonke amala because saba nonyaka wonke sipreparewa senziswa ama workshop sifundiswa sazi uChili Pies waba segazini ngase ngumphila ngase ngasadingi ukuthi ngimcabange because noma ngihlele ekhaya nganginoba uChili Pies ngamabomu because ngiya rehearse yabo sashutha saqeda masiqeda kwenza lento ukuthi now newspapers media umuntu seqala uvela emaphepheni there's a movie there's kid this umuntu uyayiqala uthayimbo ukwenzana umuntu uyayiqala ubona ba famous uqala ubona usizibona ku newspaper uthi isishubileke na umphakathi ingane siziqala ukubona ku newspaper ayikaphumi izulu lami and izulu lami ama movie lawa amakhulu athatha 2 years 3 years imovie yangempela it can take 3 years 5 years ingaphumi busy nayo but izulu lami lathatha salishutha ngo2008 2007 8 9 lapho ngo2009
2 years
2 years to 3 years you got the silence so now after media yang excited onke lethu siyayiqala yezalana indaba yaphuma imovie icinema sasiqala ngangiqala ukunderstand icinema yini icinema ngangayazi icinema ngayiqala ngokuthi ngibuka izulu lami big screen and kwakuyi launching ke it was huge kwakuyi launch when wakhunywa ngemovie uthi ya launchwa ngangiqala ukwazi into ekuthiwa i launching yini media ilapha yana success technical yonke into ayingathi all eyes was on us.
Yeah.
Sasiqala ukuthi guys we doing something guys. Engathi thina sesiyabanye abantu manje asisabona la manje thina esizazi sitshela ukuthi siyibona sitsho thina sothepanga hayi ngathi ku more than that now hayi man ithi mayiqala izulu lami yo ma goosebumps uyibona ifilimu iqala ubona abelungu angifuni ngamanga izulu lami emasinema lalibukwa abelungu kuphela
unamanga
telling you this izulu lami esinema lalibukwa abelungu kuphela umuntu omnyama olaphana umuntu vele ophila a middle class or ama class aphezulu kodwa ayingekho umuntu wasekasi ubuka izulu lami esinema ngiyeza ukuthi why ungikhumbuze futhi lonto le izulu lami labuka abelungu icinema was full of what people baphuma bekhala sibuza ba understandana nabelungu and enye into ke makwenziwe lonke mabuka imovie mayiqeda iphela imovie iphele nya siyathathwa siswe phambili siyobonga ama directors and producers yonke lonto le sukuma belungu beshaya izandla bekhala besijabula why nesikhalisa why is that sibuka singembelungu makhala bafethu bas understand it's not all about izulu it's all about the performance it's all about the mood it's all about the feeling they feel with you.
Quick one, how much were you paid for the role?
For the role ngangithola irole the whole thing ngathola 10k
10,000.
Yeah, 10,000 for Irola Chili Bites. But that 10,000 was a big man for me because the reason why ngisho njalo ngangumuntu oqala othola imali engako kwifamily yami yasekhaya because baba wami betohoza noma wami betohoza bengasebenzi. So I'm the first guy ekhaya wathola nje i-check right. And then ngalo check leyo we managed to buy a house because vele thina besisuka eThembisa. I mean I was born eThembisa Ivory Park. It's where I was born, but abazali bami abaseMatatiyela.